This portable dryer can dry your clothes in 20 minutes rather than being air dry. It holds up to 9 clothes at once, and it's great to be used for delicate fabrics, baby clothes, and much more. You can set a timer for your desired drying time or deep clean your garments with the built-in LED UV light. It also has a quiet operation unlike the other dryer. It has a hook that allows you to hang it on the rod, but if you don't have a rod, don't worry. It comes with this to snap onto a door and you can hang your dryer. It's so compact and portable that you can take it with you when you're traveling, or you can just store it in the cabinet.